A projectile is fired with velocity u, making angle theta with the horizontal. Let I say this projectile is thrown with speed u and angle theta with the horizontal. Show that its trajectory is parabola and derive the expression for time of flight, maximum height and horizontal range. We all know path will be like this. That we all know very well. Firstly, trajectory. Trajectory means the relation between x and y. Suppose at any time t particle is here and the coordinate is x comma y. Means x distance traveled by the particle is this and y distance traveled by the particle is this. So we all know very well, if u is like this, angle is theta, then initial velocity x component, that is ux, it is written as the u cos theta. Initial velocity y component, that is uy, it is written as the u sin theta. There is no acceleration in the x direction because whatever the gravity is acting, it is acting in the y direction. So acceleration in the x direction is 0. And acceleration in the y direction is downward, so we will say it is minus g. Now we will apply s equal to ut plus half at square. So for the x coordinate, we will write x equal to uxt. Ux is u cos theta into t plus half axt square. Ax is 0, so we will not write that. Then similarly for y equal to u sin theta into t minus half gt square. For the y direction, acceleration is minus g. We get the value of the t from this equation to this equation. T is given by x upon u cos theta. So y is given by u sin theta into x upon u cos theta minus half gt square is written as x square upon u square cos square theta. So u cancel. So y is equal to x tan theta minus half g x square upon u square cos square theta. So this is the equation like y equal to ax plus bx square, and y equal to ax plus bx square is the equation of the parabola. So option A, show that trajectory is parabola. Trajectory is a parabola. It is clear to all of you. Now we will move for the derivation part. Firstly, we will calculate the time of flight. So A part is time of flight. Time taken to complete जर्नी इज नोन एज द टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट. मीन्स पार्टिकल यहाँ से चल के वापस यहाँ आ गया, इसको आप टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट लेंगे. वी ऑल नो एस इक्वल टू यू टी प्लस हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर. सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन. एस वाई इक्वल टू यू वाई टी प्लस हाफ ए वाई टी स्क्वायर. वेन पार्टिकल इज ट्रेवलिंग फ्रॉम दिस and again coming to this horizontal level, it means displacement in y direction is 0. What is uy? Uy is given to us, that is u sin theta into t minus half into gt square. Minus because ay की वैल्यू कितनी है यहाँ पे minus g. So 0 equal to t कॉमन ले लिया, what you are getting u sin theta minus half gt. So there are two options, t equal to 0 and u sin theta minus half gt equal to 0. So we write u sin theta minus half gt equal to 0. यहाँ से आप कैलकुलेट करोगे, t is given by 2u sin theta upon g. It is known as the time of flight derivation. Then B part, maximum height. All of you know v square equal to u square plus 2as. We are talking regarding the y direction. So at the maximum height, vertical component of the velocity will be 0. And what is the uy? Uy is given to us, that is u sin theta a whole square minus 2gh. Acceleration in the y direction is minus g, and let I say this maximum height is given to us, that is h. We will further solve it. 0 equal to u square sin square theta minus 2gh. It means h is given as u square sin square theta upon 2g. ये आपका हाइट का भी आ गया. C part, that is the range. C part is range. रेंज यानी हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस टेबल. सो पार्टिकल यहाँ से यहाँ पे आ गया तो r को आप क्या बोलोगे? रेंज. वी ऑल नो वेरी वेल s इक्वल टू यू टी प्लस हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर. सो वी आर टॉकिंग रिगार्डिंग x डायरेक्शन. सो sx is known as a range, ux is known as a u cos theta into total time of flight that we have calculated, it is given by 2u sin theta upon g, एंड एक्सेलरेशन द एक्स डायरेक्शन इज 0, तो अगली टर्म तो खत्म हो गई। आप इसको सोल्व करोगे क्या लिखोगे, यू स्क्वायर 2 साइन थीटा कोस थीटा अपॉन जी, 2 साइन थीटा कोस थीटा साइन 2 थीटा, तो आर इक्वल टू यू स्क्वायर साइन 2 थीटा अपॉन जी। इट इज द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर हॉरिजॉन्टल रेंज।